We're gonna install the Givi Trekker 58 liter top case on my 2014 1190 Adventure R. First you're gonna have to remove the 4 bolts securing the stock mounting plate. It's a T45 and that should get it off. Once you remove the stock plate, just keep in mind everything's gonna come off all at once, including the handles. All right, for the next part, we'll just be installing it. It calls for a 13mm wrench and a 5mm hex key. It's a little hard to do with one person, but I just recommend you start with one side, get your long bolt ready, and you'll do the handle. You'll do the spacer down here. And you'll see this tab is pointing outward on both sides, and then both of those will be on the inside, the mounting holes. But once you get it started with the one side, you can move to the other. All right, I got the 2 front bolts in, just seated loosely, so we can wiggle around the back pieces, and then you'll take your bolts with the 5mm hex key, and you'll put them in the middle slots. And then I tighten them down just a little bit, and then work on these back ones right here. All right, we get all the nuts and bolts down. It doesn't give any torque specification as far as what Givi recommends, but you can always go 1/6 to 1/3 past the sharp rising torque for stuff like this. And that'll work just fine. Let's torque it down. Okay, so the 58 liter case comes with these pads right here. They do not fit on this when you try and put the box on. So do not attempt to put these on like I did. The box will not set on this like it's supposed to. So do not put these on. Leave the flat stock ones on. All right, once everything's tightened down, it just slides over these front pegs right here on both sides and locks into place. And this thing is solid. It is not going anywhere. It feels like it's one with the bike. I like that. You can shake it around quite a bit and it doesn't want to move anywhere. So that's pretty solid. Not a bad deal. And this was the SRA 7703 kit.